Every chocolate bar begins far from the factory, deep within cocoa farms. Careful harvesting protects the beans that shape every chocolate bar. Thousands of pods are gathered each hour for chocolate bar production. Thousands of pods are gathered each hour for chocolate bar production. Extraction begins the transformation from fruit to flavor. Fermentation unlocks the deep aroma hidden within cocoa. Heat and time reshape raw beans into chocolate's foundation. Thousands of pods are gathered each hour for chocolate bar production. Constant movement ensures balanced flavor development. Drying stabilizes the beans for their journey to the factory. Sunlight slowly prepares cocoa for industrial transformation.
Now stable, the beans are ready to travel.
Every kilogram is tracked for consistent chocolate bar production. Harvested beans gather before their industrial journey begins.
Logistics connect farms to factories, producing millions daily.
Protection during transit preserves bean quality.
The journey to mass production begins.
From farm to factory, the making of millions of chocolate bars is underway. The harvested cocoa begins its long journey toward industrial transformation. Distance separates raw harvest from modern manufacturing precision. Every shipment is verified before entering the production chain. Security ensures purity from farm to factory.
Scale begins to appear as logistics operate in coordinated flow.
The factory that produces millions of chocolate bars comes into view. Precision timing keeps production lines running without pause. Every delivery feeds an operation designed for constant output.
Entry marks the shift from agriculture to automation.
Beyond these gates, millions of chocolate bars begin their journey daily. Exact measurements maintain factory balance and efficiency. Data tracking ensures uninterrupted chocolate production. Human coordination aligns with industrial precision. Perfect alignment ensures safe transfer into the facility. Safety systems stabilize every step of production. Raw cocoa finally meets the factory environment. Machines now take over the heavy movement. The cocoa enters the system that produces millions of chocolate bars every day. Inside the factory, movement never stops. Scale defines factories built to produce millions daily.
Precision handling protects raw materials from the first step.
Safety remains constant across every stage of production.
With one command, the factory awakens. Automation begins guiding cocoa deeper into production. Raw cocoa transitions from transport to processing.
Gravity carries the harvest into the industrial system.
Hidden pathways keep production flowing without interruption.
Elevation prepares cocoa for its first refinement stage.
Flow control determines efficiency across the factory. Clean air ensures safe and consistent production. Early screening protects delicate machinery ahead.
Data guides every movement within the factory. Engineering design keeps materials moving seamlessly. Human oversight remains essential even in automation.
The first true processing stage is ready to begin.
Cleaning prepares cocoa for transformation into chocolate.
Cleaning removes the impurities carried from the farm.
Airflow isolates only the beans worthy of processing. Even invisible contaminants are eliminated with precision.
Uniformity begins with careful separation.
Technology now examines every bean individually.
Only perfection moves forward in chocolate production. Approved cocoa advances toward transformation.
Clean environments ensure consistent flavor and safety.
Human experience reinforces automated precision.
Consistency at this stage determines roasting perfection.
Final cleaning enhances quality before heat processing. Traceability follows every chocolate bar from start to finish. Precision measurement guarantees identical flavor profiles. Heat will soon unlock the essence of chocolate. Roasting machines prepare for the most critical transformation. Human expertise guides automated precision.
The flavor of millions of chocolate bars begins to emerge.
Roasting awakens the deep aroma hidden inside cocoa.
Heat reshapes flavor at a molecular level.
Rapid cooling preserves the newly developed flavor.
Controlled cooling stabilizes cocoa for grinding.
The shell breaks away, revealing pure cocoa. Winnowing isolates the heart of chocolate. Now begins the transformation into liquid chocolate. Grinding releases cocoa butter, forming chocolate liquor. Solid beans become flowing chocolate essence. Stability ensures consistency across millions of chocolate bars. Measured ingredients define the chocolate's character. Blending creates the foundation of smooth texture. Refining transforms texture into silk-like smoothness. Quality control begins even during processing.
The final flavor development stage approaches.
Punching refines aroma, smoothness, and balance. Hours of motion perfect the taste of millions of chocolate bars. After refinement, chocolate moves towards structural perfection. Tempering defines the shine and snap of every chocolate bar.
A few degrees determine the final texture.
Controlled crystallization prepares chocolate for shaping. The liquid now approaches its recognizable form. Precision molds wait to receive flowing chocolate. Uniform dosing ensures identical chocolate bars worldwide. Vibration perfects texture and appearance. Cooling solidifies the chocolate's final structure. Time and temperature create the signature snap. Formed bars emerge, ready for finishing. Time and temperature create the signature snap. Even microscopic imperfections are corrected. The signature sheen begins to appear. Identity is pressed into every bar produced.
Brand and craftsmanship merge in a single motion.
Stabilization prepares chocolate for high-speed automation.
Automation accelerates production without sacrificing precision.
Robots handle delicate chocolate with controlled accuracy. Uniform flow allows machines to operate at incredible speed. Sensors verify placement faster than the human eye. Automation corrects errors instantly. Production pace rises as packaging approaches. Packaging materials synchronize with chocolate flow.
Machines shape protection around every product.
Sealing preserves freshness from factory to consumer. Traceability connects every bar to its origin.
Verification guarantees accountability at scale.
Every gram is monitored for consistency.
Automation prepares packaging before human touch is needed. Precision packing maintains order at high speed. Protection continues beyond individual wrappers.
Information travels with every shipment. Efficiency scales as production nears completion.
Thousands of chocolate bars now move as a single shipment. Final finishing ensures products survive global distribution.
Precision alignment prevents damage during transport. Protective layers stabilize thousands of chocolate bars at once.
Packaging now withstands long journeys ahead.
Structural protection preserves product integrity. Stability is engineered into every shipment. Bulk verification ensures logistical accuracy. Each pallet carries its digital identity.
Tracking connects factory output to global supply chains. Human oversight confirms automated perfection.
Flow management maintains uninterrupted efficiency.
Vertical logistics maximize factory space.
Production transitions into organized storage.
Automation continues beyond production lines. Inventory builds silently at industrial scale. Every position is mapped within the logistics system. Real-time data prepares shipments before demand arrives. Before leaving the factory, every shipment faces final verification. Before shipment, quality must be proven beyond doubt.
Random sampling ensures consistency across millions produced.
Appearance reflects the precision of every process before it.
Check the throughput on conveyor 4.
Looks good, 60 units per minute.
Across highways, ports, and skies, we deliver the world's chocolate, fast and fresh.